What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you like beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing video for our August company for Year of the Beard. Damn Yankee Beard Company. Check out this box. Now, this has been a challenge to take place. As you can tell, I'm not outside. I'm not in a hammock, although it does look like I'm outside. But we are currently family little mini vacay to Great Wolf Lodge up in North Georgia, and I had to pick this up from my UPS man the day we were supposed to leave, which was the day that I needed to be recording it. And yeah, so here I am in a hotel room fixing to film this unboxing. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use my Victorinox Swiss Army SD classic little pocket knife, EDC knife, to get into this box. So let's get in here and see what we have. Now, I did get a packing list on this. However, I did not go to the website and see what the scent profiles are. So it will be true first impressions for you guys to see what we have. Then with our update videos, I'll give you actual scent names. So let's get that closed up. And let's see what we have here. We got a couple stickers on top. So let's see. Alright, so one of the stickers we have is a big bumper sticker. Check that out. Alright, a couple more stickers we have is Pure Vita. We've got this one here. The regular logo there. And Iron Lion. Alright, and then we have a letter. So let's get into this letter and see what we got here. Alright, so we've got scent profiles on there. It's not going to work because of the sun coming in. We've got scent profiles on here. I'm going to skip down past that and read the little notes that are on the bottom. Plastic bags are 100% recycled. Past consumer. Craft paper is 100% recycled. Past consumer, and everything except pump tops is recyclable. Enjoy, Pete. So we're going to keep this in case we need to refer to it for anything that these bottles do not contain. So let's see what we have in here. Packaged well. We have this on top, and then we also have, that is packaged very, very well. So we have our pump tops are separate. Let's get all this trash out. Let's see. Alright, so we've got a bar of soap. Is this soap? Let's see. It's got, yep, Damn Yankee Botanical Certified Organic Soap. So there is our soap, and let's check it out. Ooh, oh, that smells good. Look at that. All right, and then I believe this is a soap dish made out of wood. All right, which is unique. What do we have? So here is how maybe our oils are packaged in cardboard. Get these out. So this one is Pipe Dreams, or Pipe Dream. Check that out. That just looks cool. Let's see what it says here. We've got ingredients: argan oil, kukui seed oil, broccoli seed oil, castor oil, and essential oils. It does have the scent profile, so let's just give it a shake and check it out. See. Whew. That is tobacco, sweet orange, and vanilla. That smells amazing. Set that to the side. See what our next one is. Cedar, tobacco, vanilla. Pretty cut and dry there. Check out that label. This one's in the amber glass bottle with the kind of stainless top. Oh my gracious. This one, cedar, tobacco, and vanilla, and it is a very, very good mix of those three scents. Alright. What all we have here? Big bottles. This is what our pump tops appear to be for. If I can get into them. So what do we have here? Castile body wash and Pure Vita. Now I do not know what that scent profile is. So let's see. It's sealed up on the top. Our scent profile may be over here. Ooh, that smells really, really good. Alright, so the scent profile on Pure Vita is pineapple, coconut, ginger, and cilantro fragrance and essential oils. That smells really good. I can't figure out which one I'm picking up, but it smells really, really good. Alright, so here we have, man, this is packaged up and taped up. Alright, first one we have is Iron Lion and Black Soap Beard Wash. It's got that label. Let's get into it. Sealed up. This off. All right. Ooh, that smells really good. Amber Oud. That smells really good. And I really like these metal bottles. That is a nice touch. Let's see what this one is. Port Isabel, and that is going to be our beard conditioner. That lighthouse there. And give it a shake, and then we'll check out. Oh, had a little bit come out. Ooh, what is that? Orange and black pepper. That smells really good. All right, let's see. We got a little bit on the bottle, so let's get that. And what else do we have in here? We have one more thing, and that is going to be, looks like a balm. So if I can get it out. All right, so what we have is it's butter, barbershop butter, in a 1.88 ounce tin, screw top tin. Ooh, look at that. That's barbershop. That smells so good. Alright, so it's got the ingredients on here for the butter: shea butter, jojoba, coconut oil, argan, almond, broccoli seed oils. So yeah, looking forward to checking all this stuff out. I don't know which scent is going to be my favorite. At the end of the month, we may rank it on scent just because there's so many different scents here to choose from, and they all smell absolutely amazing. So that's going to be a really tough call. There'll be a link in the description below for Damn Yankee Beard Company. You can get over and check them out. As for these products, we're going to start using them, and I will give you updates along the way to let you know about how they are doing in my beard. And yeah, I think that's all we got for today. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors. I will next time, and God bless.